In today's video, I'm going to teach you to transfer money from PayPal to Barclays. By the end, you'll feel confident moving your PayPal balance straight into your Barclays bank account, whether you prefer speed or a standard transfer. Start by signing into your PayPal account either through the mobile app or on the website. Use the official PayPal app or the correct website for security and make sure you're connected to a trusted network. Once you're in, head to your wallet. Here you should see any bank accounts you've already linked. If your Barclays account isn't listed yet, take a moment to add and confirm it. PayPal may ask you to verify the account before it can receive transfers, which can include quick checks on your details or small test deposits that you'll confirm later. Ensure your name matches on both accounts and that your sort code and account number are accurate to avoid delays. With Barclays linked and confirmed, tap your PayPal balance. This shows how much is currently available to move. Keep in mind that pending payments or holds won't be transferable until they clear. From this screen, choose Transfer Money. You'll then be prompted to pick where the money should go. Select your Barclays bank account as the destination. Double check that you're choosing the correct account, especially if you have more than one linked. Next, decide how fast you want the funds to arrive. Instant transfer typically lands in minutes and is great when you need cash quickly, though it may include a small fee and certain limits. Standard transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days and is a good option if you're not in a rush. Timing can be affected by weekends and bank holidays. Enter the amount you want to move. Make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance and consider any transfer limits that may apply. Take a moment to review everything on the confirmation screen: destination account, transfer speed, and amount, so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You may be asked to authenticate for security, which is normal. Once confirmed, PayPal will send the money to your Barclays account. You can track the status in your PayPal activity or wallet, and you'll typically receive a notification when it's complete. If you chose instant, expect it to show up shortly. If you chose standard, give it the stated time frame. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your money from PayPal to Barclays. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you complete your own transfer.